As we said before about the ratio is comparison between two numbers or between two quantities by division, must have the same type and the same unit. But the rate, we are comparing between two numbers with different units. For example, in the past 2 years, we have 232 stores. If that rate continues, how many stores will be open after the next 3 years? Now we have to compare between the number of years and the number of stores. For the first 2 years, we have 232. We continue with the same rate, so after 3 years, how many stores that we have? So let the number of stores equals x. So we'll use the same way by using cross multiplication. The number which is opposite to x will be written down, and we have 3 times 232. Divided by 2 equals 1. Divided by 2 equals 116. By multiplying equals 348. It takes 7 minutes to walk around the gym twice. At this rate, how many times can we walk around in half an hour? Now we're comparing between two different units, the number of minutes and how many rounds. For the first one, we walk 7 minutes and make it twice. For the second one, we need to know how many rounds in 30 minutes. Why 30 minutes? Because we say half an hour. Half an hour, it means 30 minutes. Now the variable is x. We're using cross multiplication, so x is equals. The number which is opposite to x will be written down, and we have now 30 times 2. 30 times 2 equals 60 divided by 7, so the answer now will be 8.6. What is the meaning of a scale model? A scale model is the ratio we compare between two small parts and two large parts, as we compare between the length on the map and the length on reality. Like we can see in this example. In this problem, we have the scale on the map 3 inches for each 10 miles. It means if you measure on the map 3 inches, you will find it's equal to 10 miles in reality. Now we need to find what is the length in reality for 1 and 1 over 8 inches. It means in this ratio we compare between the inch to mile. In the scale model, for each 3 inches, it's represented by 10 miles. Now we need to find the number of miles if the length will be 1 and 1 over 8. So the number of miles will be variable. So x now is equals, by multiplying the number which is opposite to x, which is 3, will be written down, and we have 10 times 1 and 1 over 8. Then x is equal to 3.75. Number 2. We have a model of airplane. For each 5 centimeter, it's represented 2 meter. Now if the model length is 28.5 centimeter, what is the actual length? Now we compare between the length in centimeter to the length in meter. For each centimeter length, it's represented by 2 meter. Now if the length is 28.5, now we need to find the actual length. So that's x. To find x, it will be equals 2 times 28.5 divided by 5. Then x equals 11.4 meter. In the next tutorial, we'll know what is the meaning of literal equation and dimensional analysis.